All right, I've got Sandee Lutz from CrossCountry Mortgage. She is our renovation specialist. This is a four-part series on renovation loans. We've already covered the basics. We've USDA. Last week we covered FHA, and this week we're covering conventional loans. Conventional loans being one of the most popular of all types of mortgages. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac mean a conventional or agency loan. Sandee Lutz, welcome to the Loan Arranger Show.
Thanks, Bruce, for having me.
All right, Sandee, I have a couple of questions for you. So, when it comes to a conventional loan, can we do a owner occupied an investment loan or even second home with a conventional rehab loan?
Yes, absolutely. That is one of the features of conventional that our other programs don't have is we can offer investor occupancy as well as second home. So both of those in your market are a huge advantage, obviously. So we can let somebody buy a home, use a renovation loan to fix it up if it's not their primary residence.
Right. And why would somebody choose maybe a conventional loan over an FHA or VA loan? I mean, give me a reason why somebody would do that.
Well, I mean, mostly because they're like what we would call a move up buyer, right? They have money down. They don't want to carry private mortgage insurance, or they don't want to deal with a funding fee or a monthly premium because they have less than 20% down. Or maybe they're looking for a shorter term. We offer conventionally 10, 15, 20, and 30-year options for the term. That's the only product we can shorten the term on.
I see. Okay. And then what about accessory dwelling units? Some type of maybe a mother-in-law suite or something of that nature. Can we do those on FHA and VA? You can?
We
Okay, good.
can, but they're limited. They must be attached to the property by a wall, not by a breezeway. It has to be attached. With conventional,
Okay,
it opens it up. It can be detached. You can convert a garage. You can attach it. You can have a breezeway. It's much looser in its rules as to how you put up the ADU.
sure.
And you
Absolutely.
can build it from the
And
ground up.
okay, okay. What about putting in some opulent features like a pool or a summer kitchen or something of that nature? Tennis
Right.
courts.
So conventional loans say luxury items are okay. They say anything that's permanently attached to the property and adds value is an okay renovation. You cannot do luxury items with the government programs. That's just not allowed. So
Perfect.
yeah,
That
outdoor
and
Bobby
that
flay
that
kitchens around the nice big pool. Yep.
Okay. And what's the maximum on a purchase transaction? What's the maximum loan to value we can go to?
So if they are a first time home buyer, we can do 3% down. If they're conventional, they're going to be 5, or second time home buyer, they're going to be 5, but they can
Okay.
put more down than that. And we do see that a
Okay.
lot with our conventional buyers.
So that's on a purchase. What about on a refinance?
Refi, great question. So on a refinance, remember we're using the future value. We're going to give the renovation plan to the appraiser for him to tell us what the property will be worth once it's completed. And I can lend up to 95% of that value.
95% of the future value. All right.
Correct.
And can we include closing costs when we do these?
Yep, absolutely. With refinances, it's going to work just like any other loan. We can include everything right in there for you.
Beautiful. So that covers a lot when it comes to conventional. Anything else that you can think of that might be important that they understand? So, for instance, conventional loans, you're going to go up to a maximum of 50% back end debt ratio, right? Is that as high as you're going to go on that, or can you go higher?
As far as the conforming loan limits, yeah. So we are
Yep.
limited to conforming loan limits. So 806, 250. Your project could be greater than that. You would just be bringing the difference. So, like a lot of times we do $1 million projects, but they're bringing the 200,000 so that their loan amount stays at 800. Another
Right.
thing about a conventional buyer, they have the money to put down. They're willing to keep their mortgage where they want it, as opposed to maximum financing that we do for a lot of first time home buyers.
Yes. Actually, I was asking about debt ratio. What's the maximum debt ratio we can have on one of these?
50%.
There you go. So,
Yep.
Any different on FHA and VA?
Yeah, you're going to be able to go to about 57% on FHA. VA, you're going to follow the automated underwriting system. I've seen
Could
approvals,
be
and not
anything.
anything. Yeah,
It's a
anything.
guess,
Yeah,
but generally a lot higher. Plus, it's 100% financing.
correct. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely a feature of the VA loan.
Well, I want to thank you for helping out with this, and you bring so much value to the table. If you are thinking about buying a home that maybe needs some renovation, maybe you just don't like the way the kitchen looks or the bathroom, you want to put something into it, we have all your options. I've got conventional loans, FHA loans, VA loans, USDA, all on renovation. Call your bank, ask them if they have that. Call your credit union, ask them if they have that. Call Rocket Mortgage, see if they can help you out with any of that. I can already tell you, they're not going to. They don't have the products that CrossCountry Mortgage does. We have designed this company around the needs of our customers, and that's what we do. So if you have a need, we have a product. And when it comes to renovation, I can not only do owner occupied, I can do second homes and investment properties. Now, these are not designed for flips. Okay. These are not fixer upper and flipper, but these are for permanently. You want to do a renovation and you want to keep it, you want to rent it as an investor, you can do that as well. Sandee, anything else you want to add to this today?
No, I just think you have a great opportunity in Florida for renovation. There's a lot of properties that are still hurricane damaged. Those are all excellent opportunities for renovation loans. Don't shy away from them.
Absolutely.
We can get them closed for you.
Go buy one, folks, and then let's renovate it for you. How about that?
There you go.
Sandee Lutz, CrossCountry Mortgage, thank you so much. And tune in every week for one of our specials we're doing on different types of loan products. So you've got a greater understanding. Also, you'll want to listen to this show because I do interview Shan Lasik from our construction department, and that is for construction perm loans. Sandee, you have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me on the Loan Arranger Show.
Thanks, Bruce. Have a great day.